So there's your thalamus. If this thing below it is called the hypothalamus, then basically everything above it is called the epithalamus. So don't freak out. That's just a location, not an actual thing. All right? But is there somebody who is part of the epithalamus that we do need to know?
The pineal.
The pineal gland, okay? Now the pineal gland is back here. Okay, that's your pineal gland. And if we look, there he is. That pink dude right here. Now please, I don't know why they do this, but it's totally wrong, so that's why I'm here to correct the story. The pineal gland is just this little chicken nugget. It's not this pink part coming up here. That's another part of your brain, which is not on your lab list, so it's not going to be on your test. But it's not this sperm-looking thing with a head and a tail. It's just this head, okay? That is the pineal gland. It's in the back. It is one of your endocrine organs because it produces a hormone called melatonin, which does what? Sleep-wake cycles, okay? Sleep-wake cycles. What do we call the daytime time period? That's called diurnal. So what's the nighttime? Nocturnal. Got it? Ever heard of that? Nocturnal? Okay. So we're diurnal creatures, but owls and bats are nocturnal creatures. That's when they come up, because their pineal gland says it's morning. Ours says sunlight is morning. Theirs says darkness is morning for them. Sir?
Same with cats, right?
No, but
What's that term called? Taciturn?
cats sleep during the day so they can be up at night, but they don't sleep all the time because they hunt in the daytime too. Yeah. Okay. Cats are, pretty much whenever I feel like doing something, I'm going to do it. And you can't tell a cat do this and do that. They tell you what to do. Okay. All right. How are we doing? Hanging in there? All right.
On the paper, you have pineal body.
Okay, pineal body, pineal gland, same thing.
It don't matter.
Yeah. I mean, I didn't type this up, so.
Will you point on that picture exactly where it is?
On what picture? Yeah, this pink thing. Little tiny pink dot right there.
It's over there.
Yeah. Yeah. And when we dissect the brain, we'll be able to see it. It'll be kind of like a little chocolate brown, totally different than most of the white and pink that we're going to see. Got it?
What's that white one?
What's this?
No, like
What?
the nub.
This?
Yeah.
Huh?
Mm-hmm.
That's the back part of your corpus callosum. Remember?
Okay.
That's the part that was in that half-cut piece where the hypothalamus was.
Gotcha.
Okay. Not hypothalamus, the hippocampus. Okay? Are you with me? Okay. So, do we have corpora quadrigemini on your list? Aha. Here we go. Also known as tectoral plate. I like corpora quadrigemini.
So it's 4 twins?
How many people makes Gemini?
2.
2. Twins. But if you have quadrigemini, how many do you have?
4.
I got 4 of them. 4 twins. Got it?
4 sets
2
of
twins
twins?
and 2 twins. Got it? For a total of, huh?
4 twins would be 8.
4 people, so 2 sets of twins.
2 sets of twins for a total of 4 people. Okay? But these aren't people, these are bulges on your brain. Okay? Ready?
Bulges.
That's this. This right here is the corpora quadrigemini, right there. So we could draw that here as a big bulge and a little bulge, okay? Right there.
And then it's 2
We
because
have
it's split in
top
half.
and bottom bulges.
Okay.
Grab your brain, the internal part of your brain. Put that together. Now we're going to get interesting. You see the front where you have the pituitary gland? Spin it to the back. Do you see 4 little bulges here? 2 on top and 2 on the bottom. 2 on top and 2 on the bottom. That's your corpora quadra Gemini. This bulge here, that's your pons. And what's this? Medulla oblongata. It's in the middle and it's oblong shaped. Medulla oblongata. Midbrain, pons, medulla. Midbrain, pons, medulla. Okay? Midbrain is the big curve. Pons is the little belly.
I have a mess in here.
Medulla. Okay? Now, the most important of these three that I'm going to test you on is the medulla oblongata. Why? Because the medulla oblongata is where we control our heart rate and our breathing and other life support mechanisms. If somebody hits you in the back of your head and you damage that medulla, which yes, does tend to stick out past your skull, because your skull is right here. Your skull is right here. Got it? That's why, what's the name of the hole that's got to be big enough for your medulla to go through? Yeah, foramen magnum, that's bigger. Got it? So part of your medulla is out here. And if somebody hits you in the back of the head with something hard, it can kill you instantly because it's going to crush your cardiovascular center. And that means no more messages to your heart to beat. Got it? And that's also here where we have our respiratory centers. We have 2 of the 3 centers that run your breathing is right here. The third one is in the pons, but you got 2 very important ones right here in your medulla. We'll talk more in detail when we get to 211. But if you crush that, are you going to send any messages to your diaphragm to go up and down to help you breathe? No. Got it? So it's very, very important piece of real estate. Are you with me? Okay. What else we got here? You got the corpora? Okay. We'll do the peduncles in just a second. We got the pons, medulla, oblong. We'll do the pyramids in a second. I want to make sure we have anything else on here. Oh, mammillary bodies. That's a good one. Mammillaries. What are mammillaries, most ladies?
Breasts.
Your breasts, your boobs. Okay, well, let's take a look. Who's got, that one doesn't show it as well. I need something with good boobs on it.
Wow. Please stop saying boobs.
I mean, Dorothy one night. I haven't tried on my costume, so I'll pivot. But I mean, Dorothy one night, and then I have like a black cat suit being a SWAT girl one night.
Okay, if you need the leg things and guns, I have those.
See, I don't know if they'll let me take in the fake gun.
They're like colored.
Oh, okay.
Do you think we're getting milk from this? No, of course not.
Milkshake brings some.
Pituitary gland to release prolactin, the hormone for lactation. Prolactin, for milk. Now, can you give somebody a shot? Yeah, they can give milk because it's artificial, but not the milk, but the shot. Does that make sense? And the fact that the baby is still feeding. Got it? It's a positive feedback mechanism. The more you suck, the more milk you make. That's why, and before you get to the pituitary.
But what did that have to do with the...
Okay, now, what do you need to know about the mammillary bodies? Is that they were simply named by somebody who was really lonely while looking at the brain.
Just like the dip for the cell thing.
Just like the dip, when you're separating your cells, what was that called? The cleavage furrow. What is this in our alphabet?
X.
Okay, in the Greek alphabet, this is called chi. Okay? So anytime something crosses, it's called chiasm. Well, believe it or not, your optic nerves cross, and they cross right here. See where it's white?
That's a lot of stuff.
See where that's white?
Exactly.
Okay, and you see this thing here? That is one of your optic nerves. The other one was going this way, got cut off, all right? But where your optic nerves cross, what color should I use this time? I'll use red. Okay, your optic nerves are coming down here, okay? One optic nerve here and one optic nerve goes this way, okay? But where your optic nerves cross over here, this is called the optic chiasma. Where the eyes cross, where the nerves cross. It's number 31 on this picture. So if I point to this white area on my test and say, what's this white area? It's where they cross, okay? If I say, what is this brown area here? That's one of the optic nerves. Got it? So what we need to understand is that whatever you see with your right eye ends up on the left side of your head. And whatever you see with your right eye ends up on the left eye, on the right side of your head. In fact, where do we see?
Back of your brain.
The back. Yeah, we actually see here in the occipital lobe. All right?
Crazy stuff.
Are you with me?
Sensory is-
When we get, huh?
All your sensory is in the front.
No, sensors are all in the back. And that's where you see. You sense what you're seeing because that's where it's projected.
Optic chiasm.
Think about going to the movie theater. What are you watching? A screen.
From the back.
But where's the camera? Behind you. Your eyes are the camera and they're sending the image to the screen in your occipital lobe. Got it? But they're sending it like this. Does that make sense that if you say that's the left and you see your arm going this way, would that help you? And you want to go like this, but you see your arm pointing out that way because everything's backwards. Does that make any sense that you see everything backwards? No. So guess what your occipital lobe does? Puts it back into the right place. Your brain will literally unscramble what your eyes are sending you. Okay? And it's been doing it since you started looking. So that's why it never looked scrambled to you. This is the left and this is the right. Because your brain helped to unscramble that for us. Yes, sir.
There's this one guy, yeah, that draws glasses.
Yes.
It says it
Right.
outside there.
Do we have an olfactory nerve on this list?
Wait,
Don't we?
Tracking bugs.
Do we? Or do we not?
erase it.
Okay, olfactory nerve and bulb. Okay, good. Everybody with me? Watch. Do you see this white line going all the way underneath the brain? Look at your brain. Do you see what looks like a big white Q-tip heading up? Got it? See? Big white Q-tip looking thing heading
That's
up.
olfactory.
That's the olfactory
Is it
nerve.
this one?
Okay? No, that's on the inside, pumpkin. This is on the outside. Okay? The olfactory. Are you with me?
Yellow on this one?
Nerve. And the bulge on the end, the tip on the Q-tip, is the olfactory bulb.
So the thin
Thin is the tract, or
and
the nerve,
bulb is the bulb.
and the bulb is the big one. Got it? On the end. Yes, yes? Does that make sense? Okay. Let me show you something real quick. I'm going to run next door. I might have to go next door. Bone with the sphenoid sinus. What's this dip that holds our pituitary? Hypophyseal fossa. This is your ethmoid bone. There's your hard palate. Look on the other side. This is our nasal septum. The front part is made of cartilage. The rest of it is bone. This is your vomer bone, the one that sticks out here. And this is the perpendicular plate that comes down from the ethmoid bone. if I move this septum out of the way, I think you see a nice big olfactory nerve with an olfactory bulb and little olfactory nerves going down into the top of your nose. And that's how we smell things. Got it? How we doing? Hanging in there? I just want to show you that's where it is. Which cranial nerve is olfactory? Number 1, because it comes out the farthest. Got it? So, if we have our cranial nerve here, with the bulb out here, cranial nerve, olfactory is the first cranial nerve. Got it? What's the next nerve that sticks out going back?
Optic.
Optic. That's the second one. Are you with me? What was the third one? We didn't do the...
Oculomotor.
That's this one right here. That's number 3. He sticks out of the midbrain. He's number 32 on this plastic model. Do you see him? He's a nerve. He sticks out right above the pons, right below the little mammillary bodies. Yeah?
So it's myelinated.
Yeah, because they're axons. Yeah. All of your cranial nerves are white because they are myelinated axons. Okay? Now, are they sensory, motor, or both? So far, what's olfactory?
Sensory.
100% sensory. What is optic?
Sensory.
100% sensory. What's ocular motor?
Both.
100% motor. The name gives you away. Got it? I'm smelling, I'm seeing, and I'm moving. Boom, there you go. Cool beans? All right. Comes from the word pedestal.
Peduncle.
Peduncle comes from the word pedestal. What's a pedestal do?
Hold something up.
Hold something up. Yep. Okay. Should I wait till everybody gets finished whatever they're doing, or?
What are we doing?
Okay, take a break. On the back side,
Where does the other side go?
you know you're looking at the back because you have what? The pineal gland here, sometimes cut in half. Are you with me? You got your pineal gland in the back. You also have your corpora quadrigemini, right? You've got your 4 twins back here. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Okay. I'm just going to draw what you need to know, alrighty? What do we have on top? Well, these 2 things are your thalami, the 2 thalamuses, okay? That's these 2 guys right here, all right? That means that this cap sitting on top of it that's your insula. Because remember, it's got your gyri and sulci and blood vessels and everything on it. So that's the 2 insula, the internal lobes of the brain. Cool beans? All right.
You said the insula?
Yeah, that's what these 2 things are. All right? Now, do you see this here and this here? These 2 stalk-looking things going up. Those are your pedicles, your peduncles, pedicles. And these pedicles here run down the side that's your ped, okay? And what are these? Well, basically, myelinated axons sending information from your spinal cord up to your thalamus. That's why they're going this way, because they're going up. See here? From down here where your spinal cord is, up to the thalami. And that's why we call these the cerebral peduncles. Cerebral, because they're going to your cerebrum. Yes, sir.
What's that red say? The word?
Which one? Head.
The
Red dot?
The red dot? That's insula. Yeah, the two insular dot. Okay?
Hey, what's the red dot?
That's your pineal gland. You always know you're looking at the back side because you got your pineal gland back there.
Okay.
That's how you know you're looking at a picture from the back. Okay?
It looks like an ab, like abs. Mhm.
Yes, it's a belly button. Okay.
Too high.
Too
All right. Now, please note down here, you've got this. Okay? These two are peduncles that are going to the cerebellum. They've just been cut, but that's why they're white, because those are axons. All right? If you look, do you see on the side here where they're white?
Oh, this?
I'm on the back.
You think-
See that white right there, and that white right there?
I'm not paying
Those are
attention.
peduncles, but they're not going
That's
up
fine.
to your cerebellum and then up to your cerebrum. They're going backwards to your cerebellum.
What are they called?
Peduncle.
That's the peduncles too, but they're going the other way.
Oh dear.
See the white? Yeah, there you go.
Oh dear.
So the black's peduncle, the circle's a peduncle too.
Yes, right.
Where are these words?
Yes.
Yeah,
Are
I'm
these
not
words
really-
on here?
yes.
Peduncle.
Peduncle.
How come the first
Cerebral.
peduncles
Oh.
are
Yeah.
not
But
white?
what about all the rest of these? Like insula. That's not on here.
I know it was on here somewhere.
Look at
Yeah,
that.
right there.
Thanks,
Okay?
guys.
But see how the peduncle, it's been cut, it's white? See, it's white because it was going back to the cerebellum, and these two are going up to the cerebrum.
So
Okay? All right.
what are these ones called?
Cerebral, peduncle.
And the balls are called the same thing?
No, cerebellar.
Oh, okay.
Peduncle, yeah.
Okay.
Got it?
Cerebral peduncle and cerebellar
Those are
peduncle.
your thalami, right?
Those are your thalami, yeah, sorry. Those are your thalami. You got two of them,
Which one's
TT.
which?
Those are your thalami.
Stick is the cerebrum.
In the two lines.
Cerebral peduncle.
That's your cerebellar peduncle.
Mr. What?
This is cut here is your
Just once more.
cerebral, sorry, and that's your cerebellum. Because you're gonna go back here to the cerebellum.
Upstairs?
Going up, going up, going back.
This one all the way down.
See, don't say that here.
Mr. Weber, the bulb is the cerebral or cerebrum?
Cerebellar.
Oh,
Wait.
no. Oh.
You don't got me.
Cerebral peduncle, and this one is cut.
I'm gonna be confused. You're confused? I'm
Say again?
Which one is the bulb and which one is the stem? Like the
Is that correct?
There's not a bulb on here.
Yeah.
that circle is a bulb.
Yeah, it fits.
You have your
Bulb.
stick and your ball.
No, that's a stick that's been cut. That's why it's round.
Okay, it looks like a bulb. That's why
I know, but it's a stick that's been cut. That
So the
stick has
left
been
and the
cut.
right are different.
Yes.
Okay, so
but
which one's
is
the left?
which?
No, they're both the same. The
Oh.
one going up is going to my
Which one's going
cere- the ones that are sticks.
up? Okay.
That's the top of your brain. That's the bottom of your brain. So it's going up, right?
Okay.
So that's cerebral peduncles going to my cerebrum, and these two are going back towards
The
you.
cerebellum?
Those are the cerebellars. So the cerebellum is in the back.
Why is the cerebrum not white?
It's supposed to be. They left it pink.
That makes a lot of sense.
It's supposed to be white because they're axons.
I promise I'm understanding what you're saying, but I do have another question. How do you? What part? I'm not understanding what part's going down.
It's axons going up and down.
So this is your tube.
Yeah.
They're doing both.
Yeah.
They're going up and down at the same time in the same tube.
Yeah, because
Okay.
it's hundreds of axons all next to
Gotcha.
each other.
Gotcha.
Like telephone wires, you know? Coming and going. All right. Cool beans?
Sure.
Okay.
Cool
And the
beanies.
only other thing you need to know on the back side as this goes back, that's going to be part of your medulla oblongata. Got it? Because this whole thing is your brainstem from the back side. Now, do you want to see all the action? That's what's happening on the brainstem from the front side. Okay? That's the front side. Do we have those big peduncles coming down? Do you see them? Do you see the peduncles? Okay. But what else do we have on the front side? Well, we still have the insula, don't we? We still have the same insula. We still have the two parts of our thalamus. Because that's not going to be different from the front or the back. You got two of them, you got two of them. But I think we see something very special in the front that you can't miss. This. No, pineal gland in the back. Who's this guy? That's your pituitary. The pituitary is the big dude hanging here from his little stalk.
This is the thalamus.
That's your big pituitary. As opposed to the little pineal gland in the back.
I guess so, yeah.
And the pineal gland doesn't have a stalk.
Just keep a T for
And the
it.
pineal gland is sometimes cut in half, the way the manufacturer does it. See how it looks like you have two little pink pineal glands? You don't really have two, you only have one. Okay? And there's your big old pituitary gland, right? But what do I see on either side of the pituitary gland that reminded somebody of little boobies?
The
That's the mammillary bodies. See those two right here? That's the mammillary bodies.
How did I sound like that?
Okay? Which are just relay stations also. Hey, what are these two things sticking out above your... What's sticking out above?
Optic nerve.
Optic nerve, right. That's your two optic nerves sticking out.
Good.
That's how you know you're looking at the front side of this brainstem. Pituitary gland, optic nerves, mammillary bodies. We don't have that here. Got it? What else is so special? That big belly, the pons, yeah. We got that big old pons down here. Pons. Can't miss
Well,
that.
no, it's different. But the chiasma is whenever it splits.
Yeah, that belly
So
is
it's
called the
the-
pons. Yeah.
This.
I call it belly because it sticks
This is
out
the
from the
split.
side. Okay? Now you probably can't see it, so I'm not gonna get all upset if you don't understand. But do you see where this is flat here?
Oh, thank you.
And that's flat over here? Guess what those are? These two. The two cerebellar peduncles. That's these two guys back here. Because this is the cerebral peduncle. This is the cerebellar peduncle. Same thing. This is the cerebral, heading up, cerebral. And then this one here, heading towards the back, is the cerebellar. Okay? Just giving you a quick heads up as to how to orient yourself when you're looking at these things. Did that help any?
So what's the orange ball? That's your
Pituitary, big P,
pituitary.
yeah.
And the green are the
Amylaries,
mammillary bodies.
yeah. And the two brown things sticking out are the optic nerves. Can you see the olfactory nerves from this angle? No, because they are here on your cerebrum, not in here on the brainstem. Got it? The brainstem is up underneath it. How we doing? Okay.
Okay.
Now, I'm not going to get all bent out of shape here, but you tell me, what's all this blue stuff? Choroid plexus, exactly. That's the choroid plexus underneath the two lateral ventricles, and this is the one on top of the third ventricle, which is right here between the two thalami. Got it? But for this model maker, they made all the blood vessels blue. For this model maker, they made all the blood vessels pink. That's all. Okay? Blood vessels, yeah, that help create the fluid of our ventricles. Okay? It's basically plasma that has leaked from your blood, minus the red and white blood cells. Okay? With a slightly different, amount of sodiums and potassiums and stuff like that. Okay? But it's designed to make your brain float in your head. I don't know, there was a cartoon, wasn't there some bad guy who was like a brain floating in a fish bowl on top of a body?
Power Rangers.
No, that was
No, it's a cartoon.
No.
Ninja Turtles.
Oh, Ninja Turtles.
Or something like that.
100%.
It was just called the brain.
Yeah, okay. Pinky and the brain, yeah, okay. Got it?
Oh, I used to love this.
Well, Pinky and the brain is something else. That was a rat with a big brain, right? Okay. Are you good?
Or
Okay.
Dinky Dinky Doo.
Now, you ready to do something tough?
No.
This wasn't that?
No, this is the easy stuff.
Oh, okay.
Make sure you have one of these brain stems in front of you, and make sure you're looking at it from the front side. Okay? Ready? Now we're gonna get fun. All right. See the nice close-up here? All right. We know we're in the front because I see the belly and I see the pituitary. Got it? Okay. But guess what I want you to see? The 12 cranial nerves. Okay? Now, remember, where's our first cranial nerve? Way out here. So we don't see that. Not here. So, what is our second cranial nerve? Optic, and that's these two. You already have that labeled, don't you? Okay. But can I get rid of the pituitary gland so I can show you what's going on? Okay. I'm just gonna make a little room for you. Make a little room. Oh. You good? Okay. I'm just gonna erase this. There's our pons, right? Okay. And then we have to go all the way down. Make it purple. And then we have our medulla, right? Okay. Now I'm gonna erase a few extra things here so they don't interfere. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw the cranial nerves in black so it stands out. Are you okay? All right. So we already said the first of the cranial nerves is your optic, right? Second, sorry, thank you. That's your second. All right? So, where is our third? That's this little niblet and that one right there. These two, right below the mammillary bodies. That's one here and one here. And that's your third, which is your ocular motor. which makes sense. It's got to be close to your eyes. Got it? Okay. As we go down, we need the fourth one. What's the fourth one? Trochlea. Now, the trochlea, the fourth one, sneaks around from behind. Can you see how it's sneaking around from behind that big peduncle? Look on your plastic model. Do you see two white lines coming around from behind on the peduncle? Spinning around from the backside. Okay? That's your fourth. They're coming from behind.
All right.
Okay, I'll show you.
Can you slow down just a little?
Yeah. See that white line right there?
Is it right back 30?
See that white line?
30?
31, 33.
What white line is
Yeah,
this?
that's it.
Yes, this
The
one.
two white lines
Avoid-
you see sneaking around from the sides.
Yeah.
Around those two peduncles that are going up, called what? Who's the peduncle going up?
Where?
Who's the peduncle going up?
Cerebral.
Cerebral. Peduncle going up, right?
sorry.
Okay. All
What
right.
I was talking about.
So we got 2, 3, and 4, right? Okay. Next is number 5. Who is he? Trigeminal. The trigeminal is right here. It's been cut, but it's big. It's coming off the sides of the pons. You see this? It's been labeled number 4, but that's your trigeminal.